Good day everybody, and welcome back to Louisville, Kentucky. In this video, I've compiled all the footage I have of Boeing 747s and 757s from the full day of Louisville video I published a little while ago. Before we get too far into the video, hi, I'm Sky. I'm a small-town plane spotter with big ambitions. My favorite hobby? Sharing about aircraft's history on planes you normally wouldn't research, as well as finding defunct airlines that I've never heard of. I also really enjoy sharing my video footage. Recently, I graduated high school and I'm committed to Kent State University in their professional pilot program, a dream I once had now coming to life. But now, let's jump right into the video. Alright, this is our first 747. This one's a 747-400. That's landing right here. I cannot wait to see this landing. Because, boy, you know I love some 747 action. Especially from a Dash 400, which I don't think I've ever seen yet. This is the first for me, can you believe it or not.
Little tight right here, but 4654. 4654, not a problem then. In that case, just make the right on Quebec, right on Lima, and hold short line. And cross short here with 747, short line. 4654. Right, yeah, 5189. Thank you, 5842, little ground back, go via Golf Hotel. Golf Hotel, good job. At the time, Germany, 1389.
I swear to God, if there's a truck that comes right while it's coming down. Anyway. Let's get this. No. No! Okay, we're good. Ooh. Whoa! Oh my god. It was a very delayed 747-400. I just got here, so I did not have time to set up. We got a queen on takeoff. she's heavy. Okay. Alright. Alright, so this is a Kalita airplane. Or Kalita. Whatever you call it. It's a 747-400. How about that? Well, that's all the 747 and 757 footage I have from that full video. I hope you enjoyed some Boeing icons, and I'll see you in the skies.